Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing how to create an Australian format CV, also known as an Australian resume, for free. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open a word processing software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. These platforms offer user-friendly templates that make it easy to create a professional-looking CV. Now, let's select a template that suits the Australian format. Navigates through the template options and selects an appropriate Australian format template. Once you've chosen the template, start by replacing the placeholder text with your own information. Make sure to include the following sections. Contact information. Begin with your full name, phone number, email address, and a link to your LinkedIn profile if you have one. Professional summary. Write a brief paragraph that highlights your key skills, experiences, and career objectives. Tailor this section to align with the specific job you're applying for. Work experience. List your previous work experiences in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent position. Include the company name, job title, employment dates, and a concise description of your responsibilities and achievements. Education. Mention your educational qualifications, including the degrees earned, the institutions attended, and the dates of completion. Skills. Highlight your relevant skills, such as technical abilities, language proficiency, or specific certifications. Achievements. Showcase any notable achievements, awards, or recognition you have received throughout your career or academic journey. References. Optionally, you can provide references from previous employers or mentors. Make sure to include their name, job title, contact information, and a brief statement explaining their relationship to you. Remember, keep your CV concise and targeted. Australian employers prefer a 1- or 2-page resume that provides a clear overview of your qualifications and suitability for the role. Also, use a professional font and format the document in a clean and consistent manner. Transition to a screen sharing mode with a computer screen displaying the completed Australian format CV. Once you've finished filling in all the relevant sections, take a moment to proofread your CV for any grammatical errors or typos. You can also ask a friend or family member to review it for you. And there you have it, a professional Australian format CV created for free. Remember, tailoring your resume to the specific job you're applying for is crucial. Use the job description as a guide and emphasize your relevant skills and experiences. That's all for today's episode. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel Travel World for more career tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, good luck with your job applications, and I'll see you soon. Cheers!